Hey guys, welcome to the channel dedicated to answering your questions about Blender. And today we're gonna learn about how to add HDRIs in your scene. You can download multiple HDRIs from different websites. The ones that I generally use and are for free are the HDRIheaven.com and also got SBIL, which I'll link both of them down in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Let's quickly start. So in order to do that, let's go ahead and open new settings in Blender like a default cube, and we can either use that or we can use the Suzanne monkey. Either is fine, and we'll just basically go ahead and use it to demonstrate how to use HDRIs in your scene, right? So in order to do that, it's really simple. All you have to do is go to your world properties over here. Now first let's go to the render view, right? So if you go to the render view, there is literally nothing that we can see here, and it's really dark. So that's where we usually use HDRIs, right, to light up this environment. And in order to do that, go to world properties, go to color, and this yellow icon that you can see here, just click on that, click on environment texture, and then you can just click on open and go to the location where you have saved your HDRI, which is this one that I've already downloaded. And as soon as you open it, now you can see that you already got HDRI in your system. HDRIs are usually used to light up your environment or even show up reflections. So like for example, you can just simply go ahead and make this thing metallic and reduce the roughness. Now you can see that it's already reflecting that world into your object, right? Similarly, if I do it here, it's the same thing. So that's about it for this. As for one bonus tip that I can give you guys is that now when you render it, if you render it, generally you will even get that background that is there. And if you don't want it, you can just go to render properties and click on film. This option here, this works both in cycles and in AV. So click on film and then click on transparent. So as soon as you do that, it will still light up your environment and still show up reflections, but it won't show up that background. So your background will now be transparent. Yeah, I guess that's about it for this video. I really hope it was useful, and see you guys in the next video. Like you